The legs. The stitches for 2 legs are all the same. We'll demonstrate one leg. Please crochet the other one by yourself. Work into a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your finger, and pinch the crossover of the yarn. Insert hook into the loop on mid finger, yarn over the hook, and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the mid finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work for some crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work for some crochets. Place a marker in the first single crochet through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Continue to work 3 more single crochets. For single crochets are done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over the hook and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second one. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 single crochet or increase twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 1 more set. The second set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. Break yarn. We'll change to skin color yarn. Wrap the yarn around your fingers. Pinch the yarn tail and the fabric together like this. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Skin color yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Tighten up the yarn tails. Work 1 single crochet. Put the yarn tails above the hook during crocheting. Place a marker in the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase. We work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and an increase are finished. One set is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The third set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Three sets are done. Finally, work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done. Cut off these yarn tails. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 9 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 9 single crochets. Place a marker in the first stitch. Continue to work 8 more single crochets in the same way. Finally, work 1 snip stitch. Round 4 is done.